Hi friends, today I'm sharing a low carb, highly nutritious breakfast. Toasting sesame seeds. Sesame seeds lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, increases bone health, improves thyroid function. It contains phytoestrogen, so including this in our diet is very beneficial. Now let us dry roast flax seeds 50 grams till it starts crackling. It's a good source of protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids and other minerals. Pumpkin seeds. It contains healthy fats, magnesium and zinc, resulting in improved heart health, prostate health and protection against cancer. Roasting sunflower seed, rich in good fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and also antioxidants. Now our seed mix is ready and we can keep it bottled and use it for our salads, smoothies, breakfast porridges, cereals, etc. Now let us steam the Nendran bananas. The bananas are steamed. Just slice it and add the seed mix to about 1.5 tablespoons of seed mix and some almond flakes. One fried egg. And here I am taking one avocado. Just scoop it and transfer it into a mixer jar. Add curd and just blend it, and our avocado smoothie is ready. You can add nuts or seeds of your choice, and if you want it to be a little sweet, we can add a little honey, and our complete breakfast is ready. Highly nutritious and keeps us full for a long time. Hope you like the breakfast recipe, and if you're looking for a low carb breakfast, this will surely be beneficial for you. If you like the video, do press the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Just cutting different types of pothos vine for propagation. These are 4 different pothos. I've just cut it with leaving one leaf. I'd kept the cuttings in this mug some time back, and roots have developed very well. Soon I'll be transferring it into a pot. Thank you for watching. Bye.